looking for my video.
Hi. Mom. Mom, we're doing a video.
Looking for my video. Wait.
Mom. Grandpa's doing a video. He's recording us.
Video go airplane, right?
Yeah, airplane.
Go airplane.
Yeah.
Go Minnesota, right?
Yes.
It's right now. What time right now? You say right now. What time right now?
I don't know where.
You don't know?
7:14.
What? 3:14.
The 7:14.
7:40 p.m. right now.
What? My stomach hurts. I don't know why. My stomach hurts. That's why it's better. My stomach.
ดูนอนนะแม่นะคะฉันกี้ตัวไปมินนิโซตาว่าจะบอดไปกาแฟตั้งแต่เย็นตรงนี่นะตั้งแต่ตัวแต่ฉันชื่อเหอชามุงแต่ก็ชานะนู่นตั้งต่อป้องเกียอีบังดูนะช่วยตั้งแต่หัวปีตัวฉันช่วยยี่สิบโมงตอนเต้นมาดิเจ้าแต่ตีมาหมดช่องทำมาคัดให้ดูนะ
Hi guys, my name is Marlon. You're not Marlon.
No, say something for me.
So Grandpa and Grandma are going to Anasomia, and we're gonna miss them, but they're coming back.
2 weeks.
Oh yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. They're coming 2 weeks, and we're gonna miss them. Yeah, and we're not gonna see them. And she is not.
No,
She just
Mary,
missed
say
them.
something for me.
She said no. Well,
Say something.
we're gonna miss them when they're gonna be over there. Because this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna take my mom and my dad are gonna take them to the airport. Then we're gonna say bye and hugs. Then we're gonna go back home. Then sometime we can call them or text them. And yeah,
That's it.
Yeah.
Mary, say
Bye.
something.
What?
Mary, you don't say something?
No.
No. Please say something for me. Mary, you say something for me, please.
Say something. No. That's why you're too fat.
That's it.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
okay,
it.
bye.
Bye.